Come one, come all, men, women, children, gods and mortals, come gather round for the show of the day, nay, the best show of your lives. My name is Karys. I am the mysterious magician controlling this suit of armor. It's puppetry. However, there's no strings on me, I mean, the armor. You there, in the armor. Would you step forward? Yes, you. No need to point, my good friend. I don't see many others in this crowd with armor of that pedigree. Do you? Why, that's a lovely pendant you have, isn't it? Can I see it? It shines just like the atrial sea. Where did you get it? From... Oh, that's wonderful. Such a thoughtful gift. No time like the present, is there, Beefcake? I'm a very special person. It turns out my family has an ancestry of connecting to the spirit realm. So, every year we would send them a gift so we could have a blessing, good crops, good luck, all the usual sort of thing. So, my adoring audience, I need your help. Want good tidings from the spirits? Well then, toss a coin to your performer, will you? There we go, that's plenty. Wonderful coins! The spirits will be so happy! Close your eyes for me, okay? Trust me. I want you to screw those eyes as close as possible and imagine yourselves as huge balls of light. And that's how you make a wish. Spirits only grant the desires of those who wish really, really hard. So make sure to keep those eyes closed, okay? And on the count of 3, the spirits will accept your offering. 1, 2, 3. With that, the spirits are... The spirits are incredibly pleased, giving everyone good fortune. The coins have disappeared. Thank you one and all for coming to this performance. May you go now in the knowledge that you've supported your own good fortune. And that just leaves us now, doesn't it, Beefcake? Like you enjoyed the show, no? Excuse me? What's the trick? The catch? There is no catch, darling. We sent money off to the spirits, and we're just going to let people relish in their good fortune, aren't we? Beefcake, I don't like what you're accusing me of. Theft? Grand larceny? Seems a little bit overzealous, don't you think? Okay, I can do you one favor, honey. One last magic trick before you start accusing me further. Shall we? Close your eyes for me, okay? You can trust me. Now, where did I put it? Here? Oh, not there either. Found it. very pretty. Did you make it yourself? It was a gift? That's so cute. It's such a gorgeous color. Those sparkles are adorable. Oh, not to immediately jump back to brass tacks or anything, but you're accusing me of robbery? Hun, it's not even our first date. I think it's a little early to be getting the chains out, don't you? Yeah, I get it. Sarcasm will get me nowhere. So, where did you get your information? Or are you full of secrets too? All brawn, little brain. Must be an easy time with no thoughts creasing that forehead of yours. Look all grumpy and frustrated at me, will you? Look, the coin was obtained willingly. It's going to orphanages before it even goes into my pockets. About your grand phantom thief, I honestly have no idea. They rob when... How do you know about my... Okay, so let me get my facts straight. You know about my family. How much? Okay. Interesting. You're gonna have to get up much earlier in the morning if you think you can lie about your sources, guard lieutenant. Mermaid's Tale is a legitimate organization, and I'd honestly rather not have my family be slandered. Oh, it's getting rather late, isn't it? Lycaon sunsets are always my favorite. You get to watch the sun bruise out over the cliffs and the trees. Reminds you of the good old days, right? Here's what I propose, beefcake. No, in fact, I do think I make the rules right now. You want information. I can help you get it. But I'm not doing it for free. After all, your word is cheap. Favors for favors. You walk me home, maybe treat me to a mango dessert from the night market, and maybe I'll consider corroborating your outlandish stories. After all, what is a talented storyteller to do but woo her captivated audience with half-truths and false light, right? We all have our secrets, Lieutenant. Whatever you have cooking in that head of yours isn't any of my business. But I feel like if maybe you dropped your shoulders, eased that frown, and maybe smiled once in a while you talk to people, maybe you'd get a lot more out of your so-called interrogations. Don't you think? Why, we can't consider this walk home from the market to be our first date, can we? You seem like you could use a break from all your grumpy work. Come on, come live life. I know this vegetable stall at the market, and the stall owner has the wildest vegetables from across the islands. Have you ever tasted durian fruit? My sister really likes it. I'm lucky I don't have a particularly good sense of smell, really. Otherwise, I'd probably be suffering, wouldn't I? Anyways, Beefcake, you owe me a treat.